everyone, I'm Kathy, a student dietitian from Auckland, New Zealand, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these super delicious oat and nut bars. So they're perfect for work or uni and they are really easy to make. They're also dairy-free, vegan and low FODMAP friendly. So you can make whatever substitutions you need to suit your dietary requirements as well. For example, obviously they contain oats, so they're not technically gluten-free, but you can always just substitute more nuts and seeds if you need. So this is what they look like when they're done. You can cut them into whatever size pieces you like. They're super crunchy and delicious, so let's get started. Starting with the wet ingredients, you'll need half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a tablespoon of butter or coconut oil, a quarter cup of a nut butter of your choice, and a quarter cup of maple syrup. You'll see I've also used a bit of honey because I ran out of maple syrup, and then you're going to melt this all together over a medium heat. Up next for the dry ingredients, I've used half a cup of seeds, half a cup of chopped walnuts, and then half a cup of rolled oats. But essentially you just need a cup and a half total of dry ingredients, and you can use whatever you like. Then I've got a half a teaspoon of cinnamon and a pinch of salt. Now you're going to pour over the wet ingredients that you melted together just before and mix it up really thoroughly. You want to make sure there aren't any dry spots in the final mixture because that's what's going to crumble when you slice it at the very end. After that, just pop it into a lined baking tray and squish it down really firmly with a rubber spatula or the back of a spoon. It doesn't really matter if it doesn't reach the edges, just make it fit the baking tin you have. It should hold its own shape. And then bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. And then let it cool completely before you cut it.